Which instant ramen is the best? Today, we're putting every major instant ramen brand to the test with pro chefs judging their flavors, textures, and overall quality. Stick around for the ultimate taste test. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're blind taste testing instant ramen. From budget-friendly classics to premium gourmet options. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out. So, what makes a great instant ramen? Noodle texture. It should be bouncy, firm, and chewy in hot broth. Broth flavor. Rich, deep, umami-packed, and not just salty. Aromatics and garnishes. The right balance of seasonings, oils, and dried vegetables. Let's dive into the tasting and reviewing of different ramen brands. First up, Nissin Top Ramen chicken flavor. Soft noodles with a mild, one-dimensional broth. It lacks complexity, similar to basic chicken soup. Popular for nostalgia, but doesn't match restaurant ramen. Next, Shin Black Ramen with beef bone broth. Creamy, fatty broth with deep umami and garlic notes. Bouncier noodles with a chewy bite. One of the best in terms of rich, bold flavor. Now, Nissin Cup Noodles chicken flavor. Classic instant cup ramen with a light, thin broth. Noodles are softer and cook fast, making them less firm. Convenient but lacks depth compared to stovetop ramen. Moving on to Bulldog Spicy Chicken Carbonara Ramen. Thick, wavy noodles with a creamy, sweet, spicy sauce. The sauce clings well to the noodles, offering balanced heat and richness. One of the most flavorful and unique options. Finally, Ichiran Take-Home Tonkatsu Ramen. High-quality restaurant-style tonkatsu broth. Thin, straight noodles with a silky, chewy texture. A top-tier choice with deep pork bone flavor. So, what's our final verdict? Best overall flavor. Ichiran Take-Home Ramen. Best spicy ramen. Shin Black Ramen. Best budget ramen. Nissin Cup Noodles. Most unique flavor Bulldog Spicy Chicken Carbonara. Now you know which instant ramen is worth trying. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more taste tests and cooking tips. Want to see more taste tests? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert food reviews and cooking experiments.